So after that, I'd like to ask Marcus, if you can come on down. And Marcus is actually going to be giving 2 pitches, so back to back. So I'm hoping we can squeeze him down in terms of time to keep us back onto schedule. And he'll be covering one focused on WebRTC and the other focused on telco payments.
Escritorio duplicado. O sea, ¿me pones en duplicado o trabajas así?
Ah, no, perdón.
Duplicar. Un ratito.
Vale. Okay. Hello. My name is Marcos Penas, and I'm going to show you a use case of a bill review. It's based on an Oracle Communications WebRTC platform provided by Optal Solutions. So the use case is quite simple. An end user is browsing an electricity company page. He is reviewing his bill, and he needs support because he's not understanding how is this bill done. Perhaps he don't understand the difference between these 2 numbers, for example. Okay, so he may click the Contact an Agent button, and a widget appears, and this will be our WebRTC client of the application. So since this moment, he is in contact with an agent. So his screen is being shared with an agent that is in the other side. So he can begin to explain with some clicks what he wants to show to the agent. And he could also begin to chat with the agent. But in this case, we think it could be more interesting to begin an audio connection, a WebRTC audio connection. Okay. So he can click the button, allow, the agent is receiving the incoming call, he accepts, allow, and well, in this case I have the micro, but they are beginning their conversation, and he can ask, my problem is between these 2 numbers. I want to understand why there is a difference. Okay? Okay, so from a developer point of view, the challenge here was to integrate our widget, Together.js widget, with the WebRTC Oracle platform. But as advantage, we have that we can use session information in this case. So we can do, for example, pass the communication to a tablet. We can solve the refresh problem. So we have some advantages with this. And from the electricity company point of view, we have also the advantage that we have information of the customer that is calling. So we could know what contracted services the customer has and what interests he has also. Because perhaps if the consumer is happy because the problem has been solved, he could perhaps offer more services in the same call. So you can think in this widget to incorporate in more applications, more call center applications. And even incorporate communications, and you could also add the WebRTC video communication. In this case, I think it's not necessary, but you could add it also. Okay, so thank you, but I have another application I want to show also. This is also based in the Oracle Communications platform, but it's related with the telecom APIs. Okay. So you probably know that the FIFA World Cup is beginning next week. So I am used to buying my sticker album and collecting the football players of all the national teams. So this time, one of the biggest sticker album companies has created an app for mobiles. It's a great app, but it doesn't have the possibility to purchase a football player. If you only miss one football player, you cannot purchase it. You can only get random packs and swap them with other consumers. So I reviewed this app in order to add the purchase functionality. So in this case, this is the default app. You have your new packs, your swap stack, and your album. In this case, I will going to see how is my album. Okay, right. I had all the Brazilian players, but I want to know how is my national team, Spain. And oh, here there is one player missing. Okay, so I want to start the process of purchasing this player. So I click on this player, and I am informed that I will be charged for this operation through the telecom, and I have to confirm. Okay. In this case, I am using the SMS API to send a code validation for verifying the payment. So I can't get this SMS using the SDK from Oracle, and I can read the message here. So my PIN code for acquiring Andres Iniesta is 4917. Okay, done. I continue the process, and right, I have acquired the football player Andres Iniesta, so I can begin the World Cup now. I have completed my team. So I have used, in this use case, two APIs, the SMS and the payment. And you could think perhaps in evolutions as adding authorization mechanisms as OAuth, but in this case it was enough with the PIN code. Okay, thank you very much.